Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at 121 Lather Road, Bellbowrie, an exceptional opportunity. Sitting on 3.6 acres of north-facing land, absolute river frontage, the sprawling single-level home captures the most amazing river aspect that's never been offered to the market before.
And where down we go, 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 go. Oh, where down we go, 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 go. So where down we go, 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 go. Way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Thomas, come as we all go down. Yeah, but for the folk who my heart, do you dare to look them right in the eyes? Yeah. Oh, 'cause they we run you down, down to the dark.